Welcome to Omax, the waterjet technology brand in the Hypertherm Associates family of cutting solutions that also includes plasma, laser, and software technologies. Omax is a proud part of the Hypertherm Associates family, a 100% employee-owned company built on shared responsibility and long-term vision. Every associate has a direct stake in how our products are designed, built, and supported. For Omax waterjet owners, it means dependable systems, thoughtful innovation, and a partner invested in performance and reliability over the full life of the machine. As the global leader in waterjet innovation, Omax designs and builds the most advanced abrasive waterjet system used around the world. Engineering and research and development at the Kent facility focuses on advancing waterjet performance through continuous testing, refinement, and validation. The campus includes dedicated R&D labs equipped with multiple Omax systems, where engineers develop cutting models, test new technologies, and machine prototype components under real production conditions to drive ongoing innovation. Quality control is also handled on site, allowing components to be inspected, measured, and validated. This direct oversight helps ensure consistent build quality and faster feedback when improvements are identified. We believe in our waterjet system so much that we use our own waterjets to make more waterjets. In this waterjet cell, Omax systems cut over 500 parts a week for our own production lines. This allows engineers to validate cutting models, test new configurations, and refine processes in real manufacturing conditions. Integrating waterjets into production also supports lean, just-in-time part making. Omax maintains an in-house machine shop where precision components are produced under direct engineering oversight. The shop operates 34 machines and produces more than 1,200 individual parts used across Omax systems. Manufacturing these components at Omax allows engineers to closely monitor tolerances, validate design changes, and test updates without supplier delays. This helps ensure consistency from one machine to the next and supports faster revisions when improvements are identified. For customers, this translates into better quality control, more predictable long-term performance, and quicker resolution when components are updated or need replacement. Omax operates a dedicated shipping and parts operation to support customers worldwide. With over 7,000 individual parts available for sale, the team currently processes around 2,500 orders each month, helping keep systems running and production on track. Omax training programs in our dedicated software classroom and machine lab build practical waterjet skills by combining hands-on instruction with real-world cutting experience. Our in-house curriculum takes operators through the full waterjet workflow, from creating toolpath drawings and cutting finished parts to performing routine pump and machine maintenance. To date, Omax has delivered over 1,000 classes to well over 6,000 students. These include in-person courses taught at Omax, along with instructor-led virtual sessions and self-paced e-learning modules. This blended approach is designed to meet operators where they are and help them build the confidence and skills needed to operate and maintain their Omax systems over the long term. Our technical service is handled entirely in-house. When you contact Omax Technical Service, you are connected directly with the engineers, technicians, and specialists who design, build, and support our complete lineup of waterjet solutions. There are no remote call centers, just knowledgeable experts focused on delivering real solutions quickly. When your Omax waterjet is installed, our technical service team dispatches a certified Omax technician to your site. With nearly 24 field service technicians and certified distributor technicians across the United States, as well as a global distributor and service network, help is never far away. Wherever you operate, you have access to experienced professionals who know Omax systems inside and out. Any visit to the Omax facility isn't complete without seeing the waterjets in action. The Omax Advanced Technology Center showcases a multitude of Omax waterjet systems, with experts showcasing the combined strength of Omax software and hardware technology through comprehensive test cuts, quantitative proofs, and direct demonstrations that highlight capability, precision, and innovation. Thanks for joining us in this behind-the-scenes look at Omax. Every machine we build reflects decades of innovation, hands-on engineering, and a commitment to precision that starts right here. Whether you're cutting your first part or pushing the limits of what's possible, we're proud to be the partner behind your ideas.